Have you ever wondered if your beliefs are actually keeping your guardian angels away? Many people believe in the existence of guardian angels, and it's thought that they can provide guidance, protection, and support throughout our lives. These supernatural beings are often seen as a source of comfort and strength, and it's natural to want to attract them into our lives. The concept of guardian angels has been around for centuries, and it's a topic that continues to fascinate people from all walks of life. Beliefs about guardian angels can vary greatly from person to person, and it's interesting to explore the different perspectives on this topic. Some people think that guardian angels are only for certain individuals, like children or those in need. But the truth is, everyone has the potential to connect with these beings. Our beliefs play a significant role in determining whether or not we can attract guardian angels into our lives. If we hold on to negative or limiting beliefs, it can be challenging to establish a strong connection with them. It's essential to examine our beliefs and make sure they're aligned with our desire to attract positive energy and guidance from our guardian angels. I've heard stories about people who have experienced strange occurrences that they attribute to their guardian angels. And it's amazing to think about the possibility of having a personal guardian angel watching over us. People often talk about feeling an unexpected sense of calm or reassurance during difficult times, and it's as if their guardian angel is sending them a message. These experiences can be truly profound, and they often leave a lasting impression on those who have them. The idea of having a guardian angel can be a powerful source of inspiration and motivation. I remember a friend telling me about a time when she was driving home from work and felt an intense urge to take a different route, which ended up saving her from a severe car accident that had occurred on her usual route. She was convinced that her guardian angel had intervened, and it's a story that has stuck with me ever since. It's fascinating to consider the possibility that our guardian angels can communicate with us in subtle yet powerful ways. This experience had a profound impact on my friend's life, and it's a great reminder of the importance of being open to the guidance of our guardian angels. One common misconception about guardian angels is that they're only available to people who are religious or spiritual. However, this isn't necessarily true, as anyone can connect with their guardian angel, regardless of their background or beliefs. Another misconception is that guardian angels can only help us in times of crisis, but they can also provide guidance and support during our daily lives. It's essential to let go of these misconceptions and be open to the possibility of connecting with our guardian angels. Many people believe that guardian angels can only be reached through prayer or meditation, but the truth is, we can connect with them in many different ways. The first belief that can repel guardian angels is the idea that we're not worthy of their love and support. This belief can stem from low self-esteem, past traumas, or negative self-talk, and it can create a significant barrier between us and our guardian angels. When we believe that we're not worthy, we can unintentionally push our guardian angels away, making it challenging for them to connect with us. The second belief that can repel guardian angels is the idea that we have to do everything on our own. This belief can come from a fear of being vulnerable or a need to control every aspect of our lives. However, when we try to do everything alone, we can prevent our guardian angels from providing us with the guidance and support we need. The third belief that can repel guardian angels is the idea that we're not capable of receiving their love and support. This belief can stem from a fear of being open or receptive, and it can make it difficult for our guardian angels to connect with us. When we believe that we're not capable of receiving their love and support, we can unintentionally block their energy and prevent them from guiding us. It's essential to recognize these limiting beliefs and work on releasing them, allowing ourselves to be open and receptive to the love and support of our guardian angels. By doing so, we can create a stronger connection with them and receive the guidance we need to navigate our lives. These beliefs can be deeply ingrained, and it may take some time and effort to release them. However, by becoming aware of them and making a conscious effort to change our mindset, we can start to attract our guardian angels into our lives. It's a process that requires patience, self-reflection, and a willingness to let go of our limitations. As we work on releasing these beliefs, we can start to notice a shift in our lives, and we may become more aware of the presence of our guardian angels. We can start to feel their guidance and support, and we can begin to trust that they're always with us. The idea that our guardian angels can communicate with us through subtle signs and messages is a fascinating topic. Some people believe that they can receive messages from their guardian angels through dreams, intuition, or even coincidences. It's a topic that requires an open mind and a willingness to explore the unknown. By being receptive to these messages, we can deepen our connection with our guardian angels and receive the guidance we need to navigate our lives. We can start to see the world in a different light, and we can begin to understand that we're not alone. The concept of guardian angels is often associated with a sense of magic and wonder. It's a topic that can inspire us to see the world as a more mystical and mysterious place. By embracing this idea, we can start to notice the subtle signs and messages that our guardian angels send us, and we can begin to trust that they're always guiding us. It's a beautiful feeling to know that we have a personal guardian angel watching over us, and it can bring a sense of comfort and reassurance to our lives. If you've had any experiences with guardian angels, please share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and learn more about your connections with your guardian angels. By sharing our experiences, we can inspire and support each other on our journey to connect with our guardian angels. By changing our beliefs and being open to the love and support of our guardian angels, we can invite them into our lives and receive the guidance we need to navigate our journey. It's a powerful realization that can bring a sense of wonder and magic to our lives. In conclusion, our beliefs play a significant role in determining whether or not we can attract guardian angels into our lives. By recognizing and releasing limiting beliefs, we can create a stronger connection with our guardian angels and receive the guidance and support we need. It's essential to be open and receptive to their love and support, and to trust that they're always with us. The concept of guardian angels is a beautiful and inspiring topic that can bring a sense of comfort and reassurance to our lives. By embracing this idea, we can start to see the world in a different light, and we can begin to understand that we're not alone. Our guardian angels are always watching over us, and they're waiting for us to be open and receptive to their guidance and support. We can learn to trust our intuition and listen to the subtle signs and messages that our guardian angels send us. It's a journey that requires patience, self-reflection, and a willingness to let go of our limitations. By doing so, we can deepen our connection with our guardian angels and receive the guidance we need to navigate our lives. The idea of having a personal guardian angel can be a powerful source of inspiration and motivation, and it can bring a sense of wonder and magic to our lives. As we continue on our journey to connect with our guardian angels, it's essential to remember that we're not alone. We have a personal guardian angel watching over us, and they're always guiding us towards our highest good. By trusting in their love and support, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. Our guardian angels are a reminder that we're capable of achieving great things and that we have the power to create the life we desire. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more content on spirituality and personal growth. You can also check out my other video on the topic of angels and spirit guides, where I share more tips and insights on how to connect with these supernatural beings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.